Hello, my name is Brian Teague, Product Line Manager for Senko Advanced Components. And on this segment, I want to introduce you to the Senko Smart Cleaner 2.5 millimeter. Now the cool thing about this particular tool is it's 750 cleanings. It'll clean both ends of a connector pair. And the way you do it, to clean your jumper assembly, you just simply flip the lid, insert the connector in, and give it a push. The nice thing about this tool is self-aligning, and it will go through and clean both ends very quickly and consistently. So you always want to make sure you clean both ends of a connector pair. So in this case, we just put it in, give it a push, and we're all set. So there may be times you would want to go through and have to do a wet to dry cleaning method. Wet to dry cleaning methods are good if the connector has a heavy level of contamination on the end face. Now, one of the things that's very important to take into consideration is don't ever apply the cleaning fluid directly onto the tip. If you do that, because the material that is so good at wicking away residues, it'll start to wick the fluid up. So you have to meter it out. So in this case, what we'll do is I'll take one of the wipes, an optical grade wipe, and I'll apply just a small amount of cleaning fluid to the wipe. To do the wet to dry, simply touch the tip of the cleaner in, and you can clean. If I were to do the jumper, same thing. Touch it into the wet section of the wipe, return the cap, insert the jumper, and you're all done. Another advantage of using the wet to dry is it also creates a dissipative medium so that it doesn't have static charge. If you continually have problems with dust getting on the end face, it could be that the ferrules are getting tuned up and they have a static charge. So if it's got a negative charge, it's pulling in positive particles. So anything you can do to try to minimize that is a great thing. Hey, that's all for this particular segment. If you want more information about the Senko Smart Cleaner 2.5, get a hold of the folks at markettech.com or talk to their local salespeople and they'll be happy to help you. Thanks for watching.